everybody, Brittany here over at Gold Lake Chrysler. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Sport that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this 2019 Sport is fairly well equipped. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your rear park sensors across that back bumper. Of course, everything you need for your towing, hauling capabilities. Backup camera also equipped there as well. You do have a soft top roll-up tonneau cover equipped on the back. So a great accessory, you don't have to worry about post-purchase. So just to check out some of the features inside. So the truck itself is in your crew cab style, so that does mean you get tons of interior space. You can see in the back seat, a lot of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have some USB port hookups back there. Seats themselves are a leather seat and are in fairly good condition across the truck. Up top you do have your dual pane sunroof. Hopping up front, so you do have your touchscreen display here, Uconnect system equipped in there, so very user-friendly interface, access to all of your audio media controls built in there, Bluetooth capabilities, access to some of the apps and settings in through there, and navigation. Just below that, access to, again, your basic audio media controls, climate control options down in through there. You do have dual zone climate control, heated and vented front seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. Trailer brake control just below that. You can toggle your park sense features on and off. This truck is equipped with a CD player, USB port hookups, tons of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the truck right here. Remote start is equipped, so again, another great feature. You don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount controls, cruise control options in on the right-hand side, Bluetooth Uconnect in on the left-hand side, access to your audio media controls in behind the steering wheel, all of your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this truck does have 163,758 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick look at this pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Sport. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-594-2277 or follow the links below.